Welcome to Gear Talk.
Still talking gear.
Today we're talking about the STEM Table 1 from Shure. Brandon, let's do a hardware overview. What are we talking about in terms of microphone elements?
Well, there's 9 microphone elements that are giving you a 360-degree coverage pattern on the horizontal plane.
Now we've also got a loudspeaker built in, so this is a speakerphone device. That loudspeaker is down firing, so we get a boundary effect for a little more low frequency response. Let's talk about connection options. What do I got to do to power the unit?
Well, you have to provide PoE plus over the category cable, and then you can make your audio connection via the USB Type B to the Type A connection on your PC.
Making this a standalone device for your conference room. You do not need anything else besides the Table 1 if you want to use just this in a small room setting.
However, you could choose to use the category cable as a USB extender of sorts to a hub to allow you to either gain greater distance or use multiple tables on a large conference table.
Let's talk about DSP functionality. Lightning round. Brandon, do we have echo cancellation in the Table 1?
Yes.
Do we have automatic gain control?
Yes.
Do we have a flanger?
No.
Do we have de-reverberation?
Yes.
Passed, 100%. Thank you for tuning in to Gear Talk.
Talking gear.
If you want to learn more, please stay tuned to our channel or check out Shure.com.